Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add an EVM compatible chain to Trust Wallet step by step. Adding an EVM or Ethereum Virtual Machine-compatible chain allows Trust Wallet to interact with different blockchain networks like Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, and Polygon. Let's get started. First, install the Trust Wallet app from the Play Store or App Store. If you have not already, once installed, open the app and create your wallet. Make sure to safeguard your recovery phase, as it's crucial for accessing your funds later. Now let's add an EVM compatible network. Open the Trust Wallet. Go to the settings by tapping the gear icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on wallets or go to preferences. Select the wallet where you want to add the EVM chain. Tap the three-dot menu next to your wallet name and select Add Custom Network. Here you will need to enter the details of the blockchain you want to add. Let's take Binance Smart Chain (BSC) as an example. Network name Binance Smart Chain. RPC URL find on the official website. Chain ID hashtag 56, currency symbol BNB, block exposure URL, find on the official website. After entering the details, tap Save and you're done. You can now switch between network and manage assets on the newly added blockchain. By following the simple steps, you can easily add any EVM compatible network to Trust Wallet and interact with various apps and assets. That is it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.